Hi guys, so today is Monday, July 20th, 2026. So we are in the New York session of the day. So I'm going to talk about how gold is doing today, how the price action of gold is going on today. So this is the daily chart, and as you can see that gold is still kind of moving sideways today. Not really a big move happening today, actually. And as I stated earlier in a previous session, that gold has been moving to the historic level back in October 2025. As we can see here, it is around 3900 or 3930. So my base case is that it is the potentially bullish for gold, but still it needs to break above the bearish trend line right here. So this is the bearish trend. As you can see here, it has been going on for around 2 months. So as you can see, it has been touching this trend line here, and in May 29 and in June 17, and then in July 6th, and then we have in July 10th, July 14, and today, July 20th. So it has been touching the trend line multiple times, and the more it touches the trend line, the weaker the trend line is. So I'm expecting that this trend line would be broken in some time soon. But on the other hand, what if go break below this 3940 level, then I would expect that gold test the 3883 level back in October 20th, October 28th. This is the 3886 level, and then lower than that is gonna be approaching the 3789 level. But still, my base case is that the thesis is that it's going to be bullish because it is sitting around the historic level back in October 2025, and then it has been doing the bearish trend for at least 2 months, and it has been touching the bearish trend line many times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So if it were to close above this trend line, I would expect that gold would at least testing this level 4138, and then this level 4200. But that's it for gold, and we're going to move to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, as I stated in the previous session, it is still struggling to break above this level, 65,500 level. So we're still waiting for it to either break above this level or close. If it closes below this level, 62,000 level, it would very likely to continue to break down and test the 58,000 level. So that's it for Bitcoin, and that's it for today, and I will see you in the next session on Friday. Bye.